In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms for registration purposes. Our goal is to create a straightforward and effective registration form which participants can fill out easily. Let's begin by going to Google Drive. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled New on the left side of the page. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Google Forms. This will direct you to a new page where you'll have several options, but for our purpose, select Blank Form. This will allow us to start from scratch and tailor the form to our specific needs. Now let's give our form a name, something straightforward like registration. Naming your form is crucial as it helps both you and the respondents keep track of what the form pertains to. With the name set, it's time to start crafting the content of our form by adding questions. Begin by typing full name. You'll notice a question type option on the right. Click on that and choose short answer. This format is ideal for concise responses. After entering the first question, look for the plus icon to add another question. Let's proceed by typing email. Again, leave the response type as short answer because emails are typically concise. Next, continue by adding more questions such as phone number using the same process. Short answers work best for this type of information as well. As we broaden the scope of our registration form, let's include date of birth. This time, rather than short answer, select date as a response type, ensuring the format remains consistent and easy to use. Now for address details, input address as a question and select paragraph to allow for more detailed responses. Continue by adding a city field with a short answer format. Following a similar structure, type in questions like state. This approach keeps the form structured and logical for respondents. Next, including educational background can also be useful, especially if this registration form is for an event or job that requires specific qualifications. Here you could use the drop-down field type, which enables respondents to choose from set options, ensuring clarity and consistency in the answers. Once all your questions are in place, you're nearly ready to publish. Before doing that though, it's always good practice to preview your form to check for any mistakes or improvements. Click on the preview icon to view your form from the respondent's perspective. This step is essential to ensure everything is correct and that the flow of questions makes sense. Finally, when you're satisfied with the form design and content, click on Publish. This action will make the form accessible to those you wish to fill it out. After publishing, you can share the form through a link, embedding it on a website, or even emailing it directly to participants. And that's it, you've successfully created a Google form for registration. This powerful tool not only collects data efficiently, but also helps organize information in a user-friendly manner.